So guys, this is a follow-up video to the CapitalOne shopping updates I dropped earlier. So after you've done 3 days, right? Remember, you must do 3 days. After you've done 3 days, now come to your VPN. The VPN I'm using is Windscribe. Connect to the VPN. I've already connected, right? Connect to the VPN. Then go to your settings. Not here. Let me just close this so I don't waste my time. So go to your settings, come to general, come to date and time, and then make sure that your time zone, if it's set on automatically, turn it off and then set it to New York. Just search for New York. Make sure your time zone is set in New York. It's very important to change your time zone to New York, unless it will not work. You'll be getting invalid request or invalid parameter error. So once you've done both of them, open the CapitalOne shopping app. Right. Make sure you've done those things before you open the CapitalOne shopping app, please. Do not open the app without your VPN on, and do not open the app without your time zone changed. Right. So yeah, just ignore these 2 things up. Those ones are promotion. This is the home page, right? Come to your rewards, and then this is when you know that if what you are doing is correct, or if what you have done is correct or not. If you come to this home page now, you should see how many days remaining. They'll tell you that you have 11 days left out of 14 days. You get that? You have to, after 14 days, that's after the 11 days, you will get your money, the $45. So they're checking the status of your bonus. You get? So this one is just normal talk. Then after this 11 days, boom, because they've checked the status, I can get the $45. I've added if you see this check mark, the first one is yes, I can get the $45. The second check mark, which is down here, is I've allowed the Safari. I've allowed the extension on Safari and all my shopping websites. Now this last one now is just to wait for the 14 days, and then they're going to send me the $45. That's very easy, right? So that's what you are going to do. But now that we've seen that it's working, now let me show you the step you are going to take. I'm sorry, I have hiccup, so I might be hiccuping throughout the video. So now click on this more, right? And then sign out. This is very important. Sign out. Sometimes if you sign out, it might stubbornly sign you back in again. You get? Just click on more. Once you see this, okay, it has signed you out. You understand? Now come over here, close the app. Let me see. I want to see something. Before you remove the app, right? Before you remove the app, cancel. Come to settings, Safari. Then go to your app. Click on app. Then click on Safari. Search for Safari. Under Safari, scroll down a bit. You see extensions. Click on extensions. Under extensions, you see CapitalOne shopping app. Click on it, right? Then you should see under permissions, click on, and then click on deny. Go back. Then see this allow extension toggle. Click on it again. Turn it off. You're not allowing the extension. Go back again. Go back again. Then scroll down a bit. Under history and website data, clear website history, and then clear all history. But if you have something you have in your browser that is very important to you, make sure you go and back it up first. But me, I don't have anything that I can't get easily, so I've cleared it. Make sure you clear your browsing history. Now come back to your app. Let me not confuse you. Remember where we are, apps, right? Then search for CapitalOne and see if you see it there. Scroll down. Let's look for the CapitalOne app. Let's see if you find it. Because we've shopping. Search for shopping. Click on it. Allow tracking. All these ones. Block this tracking first. Make sure you block allow tracking. Notifications, but these ones you can leave them on. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you block this allow tracking. Then there's something I would recommend. I'm coming. Let me see if I can find it. No, not under hidden apps. So once you've done that, right, and you've cleared history and everything, right, now come back to the CapitalOne shopping app, right, click on open and allow it to load. So now this is how it looks like, right? Now you have to sign in. So you don't have an account, right? So you create an account. So you can put your first name or this one. This one now is random. I can just say Caleb Kelly. Next. Then your zip code. What was the zip code I even used that last time? Safe. Let me just open my Safari and look for zip code. Or alternatively, you can just open your ChatGPT, right? Residential zip code in. I need to charge my phone. New York. So residential zip code in New York. You can either use Google, ChatGPT, anywhere you want to use. So I can just use this, copy this, right? I don't want this. Then paste your zip code. 125. 125. Right. Do you have? No. Click on no when they ask you if you have a Prime account, and then click on next. Then you have to put your email and password to create your account. So now do not use an email you've used before. Take note of the first email you used that time. Now we're going to use a different one. So I'm going to use this. Then you're going to create a password. Let me just create a random password. Okay. And then follow the instructions from the password, right? So yes, and then once you've used the password and then they've facilitated this, click on this, and click on create account. Right. And now, okay, you can just save the password. And now it has allowed me sign in, right? So you come to the home page, claim your reward. All these ones are just normal shit. Then come to rewards. Let me see what's there. So I don't have any reward right now, right? This is how it looks like, right? So now let's go and check our meal. This is very important. Check your meal. If they send you that, remember that important meal is that meal that will determine if you qualify or not. So before we do that, now we have to go back, come to your Safari. This is also very important. Click on here, manage extensions, CapitalOne shopping, right? We need to allow CapitalOne shopping. Okay, then when this pops up, do you remember what I did? After I allowed it, I now click on the CapitalOne shopping again. When this shopping, you want to allow access google.com, this will have to things like that. Just click on always allow for every website, and that's all, right? So open the CapitalOne shopping app. Then for your reward, now you remember you have to wait for some days, like 3 days before that stuff starts showing again. So just close the app, open the app again. Let's just confirm that yes, the new account creation process was successful. Yeah, this one is just normal stuff. Come to rewards, and that's fine. So, and then you see that you're not signed into that other email. It's this new email. You don't need to sign into that other email until after the 14 days that you get a mail that yes, your $45 is ready. Now let's go back to settings. I think there's one more thing I need to turn on. Come back to apps. Let me check Safari very fast. Extension, just make sure everything is turned back on. As you can see, it's off. Allow extension. All websites, allow it. It's very important to allow it, right? Then go back, then search for shopping. Allow tracking. Also very important, you allow the tracking, right? Then you close the app, come back, and then search for the shopping again. Open it just this last time to confirm that everything is okay. Once you open it, come back to your rewards. This one is just to refer your friends, it's not as necessary. Come back to your rewards, and you can see everything is fine now. So you can just go and check your mail. They should send you that email they sent to me. So come to Gmail. So I saw some people complaining earlier that they did not get the email. Then eventually the email came. You get. So just hold on. If you did not get the email immediately, do not rush. Do not be in a haste. You get. Do not rush. Do not be in a haste. Let me see. This one is just their random mail. So let me go to that email I used, and then as you can see, they sent me congrats. Can you see it here? They sent me congrats to that new email. So remember, if you did not see it, check under promotions, right? They sent me congrats. So I've gotten it in this new email, and I think I am good to go. Okay, this is the old email. This is the new email here. So once you've gotten that congrats and your $45 is whatever, you're good to go, and you don't need to install the app or do anything again. So if you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. Remember, sometimes it's always hard to teach. You get a lot of stuff on your head and you might get confused. So I can just check primary mail for only this one, and then maybe all emails, and then that's all. So you don't need to install anything, you don't need to do anything. Once you've installed the extension in that, like in your Safari, just follow what I did, clear what you want to clear, then install the extensions, and you can see we have, make sure this CapitalOne is showing like this. You get. Once it's showing like this, you're good to go. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask me. I know it's a bit complicated because I was just moving back and front, but take your time to watch the video and you understand what I did. See you in the next video, and have a great day.